My client has been accused of a heinous crime that goes against all social media norms. My client, which I will prove, is completely innocent of these charges. If he is guilty of anything, it is bad humor and simple-mindedness. At this time, my client will read a statement, and there will be no questions at this time. Go ahead. On April 27, 2022, I posted a video with the following thumbnail. Big, really big, Aptera news, huge. The title of this misguided attempt to show the simplicity of the pre-order system was, quote, Aptera, breaking news, scary, unquote. It has been brought to my attention that some people felt that they were baited to click, thus concluding that I intentionally created clickbait, which is the lowest form of content on YouTube. For those who were hurt by this incident, this innocent attempt to help people understand the simple pre-order process of the Aptera, my deepest, heartfelt apologies. We here at Drive the Lightning pride ourselves on unbiased, upfront, hard-hitting journalism catered to the automotive electric car enthusiast population. And we will work tirelessly to regain your trust. Thank you, and I'm sorry.